Hey everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. Today, we're going to add a little flair to your Word documents by changing the page border color. And guess what? It only takes a few seconds. So let's dive right in. Open up your Word document and head over to the top menu. Click on the Design tab. Once you're there, look to the right and find Page Borders under the Page Background group. Give that a click and a new dialog box will pop up. This is the Borders and Shading window. Now, make sure you're on the Page Border tab, because that's where all the magic happens. You can pick the style of your border here, but since we're focusing on color, let's go straight to the color dropdown. You'll see a nice selection of colors ready to go. Pick the one that fits your document's theme or your personal style. I'm going with a cool blue to match the accent colors already in my document. And if you want something more specific, no problem. Click More Colors and get creative. Once your color is set, feel free to adjust the width of the border. I'm choosing 4.5 for a bold look. There's also an option to use art styles, but I'll keep mine clean and simple for now. Take a look at the preview on the right side of the dialog box. It gives you a quick glance at how your page will look. If everything looks good, just hit OK. And there it is. Your document now has a fresh, colorful border that instantly upgrades the look and feel. Pretty simple, right? If you found this tip helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.